Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another wonderful episode of The Wonders of Science with Mr. Whybrew. This is episode 16, and in this episode, we're going to talk about the question from the previous video, which was, what is the tilt of our planet's axis? Alright, so think about that question for a moment. The planet Earth we live on, I mentioned even in the previous video when I was answering another question, I did mention and give a clue to what the tilt of our planet's axis was. So if you're listening real close, you probably heard this. Well, for those that are still wondering what it is and just waiting for the answer, here it is. Our planet is tilted by 23.5 degrees of its axis. It's not as extreme as the previous planet we talked about in the last video, that being Uranus, but still it's tilted. And this tilting actually has an effect as to why parts of our planet have specific weather during certain times of the year. These, of course, are known as seasons, which we're all familiar with. Hope that has intrigued you guys. If you've ever wondered, why is it we get summer then and winter then? Well, now you know it has to do with the tilt of our planet's axis, and that being at 23.5 degrees. Alright, now here's the fun science fact of the day. Check this out. For those of you that like food that comes from the sea, you know, seafood, well, scallops have actually good vision. And you know why they have actually good vision? It's because they have as many as 100, you heard me correctly, 100 simple eyes. Wow, isn't that crazy? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining me for another wonderful episode of The Wonders of Science with Mr. Whybrew. Look for the question at the end. Have a nice day, and take care.